Our enterprise is a part of the holding company for the production of pharmaceuticals in the Krasnodar region. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP, a unit for dehydration of aqueous solutions, and extracts in a fluidized bed apparatus, rotary tablet machines, an automatic line for packaging tablets in plastic film, and foil and other high-tech machines and apparatuses. At the end of the year, we carried out modernization and started to replace morally and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief technologist for 10 years and know all the technological processes well. I made the choice of new equipment myself, agreeing it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There is a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes have changed and become automated. In pharmaceutical production, it is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. In production, they check the ratings of moisture level, melting time, transparency, decay time and dissolution, quantitative composition, melting, hardness parameters, thickness, viscosity. For the products to be of high quality and fully comply with hygienic requirements, it was necessary to take the choice of equipment seriously. We decided to upgrade the machine, which was carrying out dragging of tablets. Such process is layer by layer coating of the surface of tablets and dragees. The shells perform a decorative and protective functions, using a variety of dyes and food-grade polymeric materials. The material from which the equipment is made must be durable and wear-resistant. The necessary capacity is 20 kilograms per hour. I am used to do my work qualitatively and work only with specialists. I took the choice of a pellet boiler seriously. To search for equipment, I did not use the internet, because often a pretty picture hides unprofessionalism. I visited the International Exhibition of Equipment, Raw Materials and Technologies for Pharmaceutical Production, which was held in Moscow. There were many coating machines at the exhibition, from different manufacturers, from different countries of the world. I chose 3 that best matched my requirements, and got contacts from their representatives. The dredging equipment had to be coordinated with the management, and then a contract for delivery was concluded. When I returned to the company, I started contacting representatives of equipment manufacturers by phone. A company from Germany agreed to supply a machine for coating the surface of tablets, but asked me to come and sign the contract in person. Unfortunately, I could not travel to the EU, as I did not have a visa, and the process would have taken at least 3 months. One company from China sent me a catalog of products in the mail. I chose for a long time, but I could not figure out for which pellets the boiler is suitable, what the allowable load volume. A third manufacturer from Krasnodar listened to me and replied that he could make the equipment only 6 months, citing the large volume of orders. I had to refuse, as I needed the machine in the shortest possible time. A machine had to be found, and I realized that I would not be able to do it on my own. This made me a little less confident. However, the manager of the company in Krasnodar helped me out here. He suggested a specialist in pharmaceutical equipment supply, who could find another option of equipment. Following his advice, I turned to a specialist intermediary company from Moscow. At that time, I had no idea that I was doing the right thing. The manager of the company listened to me, asked some questions about the required productivity, tolerance of the equipment. I was pleased with his professional and business-like approach. After preliminary consultations, he suggested an automatic device for coating the surface of tablets, which is ideally suited for the parameters I had specified. The specialist of this company sent me a video of the machine, which clearly demonstrates the equipment and its characteristics. Modern, high-tech equipment with atomizers to apply a smooth layer on the surface of the tablets. Housing, completely enclosed with stainless steel material. Access to the spraying chamber was made through a special hatch with attached hoses for delivery of the pelletizing solution. We were satisfied with the proposed equipment for coating the surface of the tablets. Initially, I was skeptical about choosing a manager, relying on my own experience, but I realized that one should always learn and not be afraid to trust a professional.